In this example, you will analyze how different types of parameters are passed to a method and how they affect execution. The method volCube int side is called with the actual parameter 10, which is of type int. The argument 10 matches the expected int side parameter in the method signature. The method runs without any issues. The method SumNumbers int a double b is called with actual parameters 4 int and 5.5 double. The first argument 4 is stored as an int. The second argument 5.5 is already a double, so no conversion is needed. The method runs successfully. The method printChar letter is called with the value of a char. The argument a is a character literal, and it matches the expected char letter parameter. No type conversion is needed. The method runs successfully. The method add int num1 int num2 is called with the values 5 int and b char. Java automatically converts the character b to its ASCII value 66. The method actually runs as add 566, and no compilation error occurs. The method multiply int num1 int num2 is called with the value 6.5 double and 2 int. Java cannot implicitly convert 6.5 double to int, so the program will not compile. This will result in a compilation error. The method divide int num1 int num2 is called with the values hello, string, and 2.0 double. Java does not allow implicit conversion from string to int, so the method call fails. 2.0 double cannot be passed as an int, causing another compilation error. This program contains 6 method calls, 3 of which result in compilation errors due to mismatched data types. In Java, different types of parameters are passed through method calls. In this example, you observed several instances where implicit type conversion occurs.